Couple switching phones, chat. It's been a long time since we watched Joseph Diary. Let's see what he has for us, chat. No cap. Rawubona uhlaphe
Ngiyawabona uhlaphi lo scone Arpaze spoon Time it's America di B Hamasi B Rauja life when I was speed Lick hey sekirata guy wish Throwing shots and me wanna ba no miss Top chef lishera urai cook Dog trade ya upanisha cook Sex position ka style sa ho Go TED, YouTube and check a go. I get work to be Mario Moore. What's up, YouTube? My name is Joseph Diary. I'm back again with another video. I want to close here because my t-shirt Ngarge
It's been a long time, chat.
Ngarge Morampana.
What the first who do y'all niggas think is cheating? That shit might be cheating. It's winter currently, so it's about to be winter. So I don't think she's cheating, chat. Because it's winter, so and she looks thick.
So
it's the guy.
Hi, my sister.
Hi.
Why it's Bamarampana? It's when the guys didn't go to the mountains. Most of the Zulu guys, they don't think we are Puma when entabeni baf. Ah, uyabo?
Hayi thina siya ibhedlela ngakithi.
Oh, yeah, even isibhedlela.
Indawo ezintabeni hayi.
No, not in Tawa, is it like even esibhedlela you are good because it's the same way.
Yeah, siya ibhedlela.
You know the old days, the reason why people used to go entabeni is what? Is for traditional healers.
People still go to the mountains. Xhosa, they go to the mountains when they turn 18 years old. Or right now, Xhosas are Nkwankwas until they're 18. To be a Kiani, they have to go to the mountains so they can jonga enyon. Also, Sotus, I think they go
to build men through their medication and they're like making them struggle a little bit so they can be stronger. Mind you, we don't need that.
Yeah.
We can make a leap.
Do that, Njena.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, me, I went 2001, 2002. My woman was 1 year.
God damn, bro. 2002. Now this nigga's been in this world for some time, chat. No cap, chat.
Old. My wife was 1 year old. Crazy vibes.
Oh, nah. And chat, have y'all niggas realized, chat? You see, after school, bro. Like, let's say after school, let me say universities. Niggas don't care about age, bro. Like, someone can date old ass person, like 10 year gap or something like that, bro. Niggas don't really care about after school, bro. The age gaps, people don't care about it, bro. You can date whatever age you want after 18 and it's crazy.
I'm serious, my sister. When I went to the Ntaba, I was 7 years old.
Then girlfriend yakho was in
Wait.
it.
This nigga was bro. Nah, this nigga's lying. This nigga said he went to the mountains when he was 7 years old. That's fucking cap. 7 years old. No, bro. No. That's crazy.
1 year.
It was 1 year.
Hi,
So
Bobo.
I'm literally how many years old
6 year
than
gap.
my girlfriend? 8 years older.
6, nigga.
Crazy, right? 1999, my little sister was born. 2 years later, I went to the mountains, and me and my sister we are 4 years apart. Crazy vibes, right? And my little sister has 2 kids, and I have 1. It's just the other one I don't know. I need to do DNA, but.
Hayi lutho angilahli ingane. Thina ngakithi asiyilahli ingane.
Yeah, that's one thing about I love Zulus. You see, no matter what, my sister, it's not too much of dead breed Zamazulu. It's just that some of them, they just don't have money.
Yeah, Chad, us Zulus, bro, we're not deadbeats, bro. Okay, there are some deadbeats, bro, but like, Zulu niggas be having so many kids, it's crazy. Bonga Natali. KZN, bro, you go to KZN, you go to HRTNL one, yo, I promise you. Oh, no, HRTNL no mama, no baba. you'll see, bro, the family is crazy. Maybe 5 kids. Like, damn, bro, y'all niggas, a condom is free, bro. No
There's one of my friends who has, is it 5 kids or 7 now? 8 kids right now, but it's not working. But whatever he gets, send a car. Whatever he gets.
Yes, chat. So I'm a scientist, you know, by the side. No, I'm a full-time scientist. Then I do this by the side. So what I've figured out, me and my partner, you see, broke people, they are the ones who get more babies, chat. Like poverty brings more babies than people who have a lot of money, chat. Like, chat, go to the Kasi and you'll see maybe a family. Maybe they don't have a huge house. Maybe it's a small 4-room home. Maybe even a 3-room home. And that house has a lot of kids. And their parents don't work. But why? Because they are bored. And their partner is here. And maybe their partner is at work. They can just go outside and just have fun and have a lot of kids, bro. Poor people have the most kids. That's what I'm trying to say.
Send a car. You know what I mean? He's trying. It's like not a dead breed.
Sometimes
bro, that's crazy. And some of you guys, your baby fathers are dead breeds because of they got you here in Johannesburg and there's no life here. Think about it, impregnate a woman who stays in Johannesburg. What is your intention? That's what the niggas think. Like you are.
I'm telling you, Chad. After school, bro, you are not competing with your age mates, bro. You're competing with niggas who have crazy cars, bro. That nigga might be driving an M4, BMW M4, bro. And you just got into UJ. You just got into UJ. And that person who's in your class from UJ, that girl from UJ who's in your class, she's getting picked up by a BMW M4. And that's not even a family. It's some 30-year-old nigga who's trying to hit and all that. It's crazy.
You know what I mean? But it's cool. What's your name, mama?
Smamkele.
You cute. Ukuthola kanjani ubuthi?
Kia, now kia.
Hey, uyibona le ngoma lethi wamnika kanjani?
Inamba. Ithi wamnika kanjani inamba?
Uthi wamnika kanjani inamba? Nina nijula no taxi namnika kanjani inamba? So ke sanikana amanamba khona rank.
Hayibo.
Oh, we taxi driver.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, shit.
Nah, Chad. Nigga, don't trust taxi drivers, Chad. I feel like you must say, like, if you see the way they drive, dog, that's the first sign, bro. Those niggas make their own rules, bro. They make their own rules. Nah, bro, but I all love to her, bro. I don't know, maybe she's, I don't know, Stone or something. But taxi rank is crazy, though.
Mara, you look like the softest taxi driver. Wena ngakushaya. Anespam awunaso wena.
Abantu bathi kwamjaji ngokumbuka umuntu yabona. Uthola ukuthi nje hayi masingathi
ungaqumba mina.
Sengazeka phela ngithi akuliwa ngomzimba.
Mina, my brother, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm scared of Zulu people because of the gun. They're good with the gun. Without the gun, hey, good. Yeah, but
all of us, bro, when we know, bro, Joseph Darish, just say you pussy, bro. Joseph Darish, just say you pussy, bro. Bro, come here, bro.
And what I love about Zulu, if you beat him, I shine insizwa man. Shine ngizovuma. I love that they are honest. Mara, there is those ones ngangilwe nepari mina. Pa.
Yeah,
that time angiphathanga ispam nami. Angifanga kanjalo. Yeah. But it's cool. What's your name, buddy?
Musiyanda.
What makes you love her?
Uyambona nje nawe bhuti muhle.
Oh, Chad, you can see her, Chad. I won't lie. We don't care about the face card. Maybe some niggas don't care about the face card, but the body is shit. I don't know, bro. Good for wins, I don't care.
Umi kahle. Nanokuthi nje.
What's the body thing?
Nayo nenhliziyo yakhe.
Even the warmness. Phela isikhathi senu manje, my sister.
Hey,
you guys are
time to shine.
Yo, and my woman is a London. I saw this other chubby lady there on TikTok. I even followed her. I'm like, if my woman was to agree, at least I can have a slender and a boom, 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 boom for myself.
What did they boom, boom, boom?
Yeah, because she's very cute and very like, eish. But I don't know if I can't. I'm not sure. That thing can work. That thing there, it might not work. But it's okay. Yeah. So, Marawana, iyasebenza la?
Inda.
That thing.
Iyasebenza.
Ngisho that thing.
Iyasebenza.
Yakhona ukufikelela.
Ayafika.
Phela uthola ukuthi uthi kanti ubamba insongo kuphela.
Nah, this nigga might be speaking from experience, chat. Oh, no, he might be speaking from experience. I'm sure this nigga had a chubby girl and all that. He thought it was gonna fit. Didn't even reach.
Thina sibuye silokhuze. So manje mawindoda kumele uyabo.
Do you understand that women can put your mutongolozi on like in front of their thighs and then bese waza wena?
Hayi, nani.
Uzanenye ke ngo.
My sister, I'm lying. Am I lying?
Uzanenye.
Am I lying? I'm not lying now. You guys make them do that English. Hey man, sometimes when you are drunk, ubulite light. Sinini ungapho phethe lento.
Nah.
Plus the hand is kind of chubby.
And village, I think, I'm sure this happens to a lot of niggas who drink and then maybe at clubs and all that. They are drunk. Maybe they just then they think they're hitting the private part, but no, they're hitting the thighs or it's like he says.
And then you know what I mean? But
I don't think it happens every time.
Women, my bad, they can even make you eat this thing.
I know.
My brother, most of some guys have never slept with these girls.
So when we are alive,
obviously.
now bakhe bakwenzisa.
No, I've
Don't
did
lie.
one of.
Don't lie. Don't lie, bro. You're speaking from experience. This nigga has so much XP in this shit, is crazy.
The one where a woman puts my thing in between her thighs, and then we just rub there because she was on a period. Only that. So the thighs made me calm, and I don't gonna lie. So now I see, they might be niggas that.
Nah, this nigga's too open, chat. Nah, this nigga's too open, bro. Nah, this nigga's too
They're
open.
eating thighs, thinking that they're eating it. But it's cool. Another topic for another day. My name is Joseph Kari. I'm back against another very, very, very beautiful couple here. I want them to exchange phone for 60 seconds. So we see you guys are not cheating, yabo. Bona mchitela. Ona asuspa mga pangisho. One someone phone ela manch.
Nah, chat. This nigga, he talks with these people for like 6 minutes straight or 7 minutes straight. When they're comfortable, now he says, let's switch phones. And now if you don't want to switch phones, bro, you seem sus because we're all comfortable and now you're ruining the vibe. That's mad, no cap.
Young Papel, let him beg into them private. I'm sorry if you're a serious guy calling me, I'm fine, I don't care about you. Because you're basic, yeah? Like literally. Like I'm sure man into my it's no longer recording. I'm sorry guys for this minute. No sound. We back at the sound. Wang papel, phone lang, out of the gaspana. Monday roja, ridia regabove. When I was pandiwa braga, phone like a business,
Like, Chad, bro, you know those niggas, bro. Like, maybe you at work, maybe you work at home or you work at the office. Nigga calls you, bro. It's like, damn, bro, I'm still working, though. I'm still working. I understand that maybe you are free, dog. Maybe wait until 6 o'clock or maybe 7 o'clock. Then maybe I can come to you, bro. Niggas calling you at work, like, nigga, now.
Yeah, what are you, like, what is it that you want to tell me if it's not work? I want money. If you're not gonna call, check, I'm fine. I be like, I will phone like a ID call one papel. If you know yourself, one talela on this step. So what are you guys saying about exchange phones? So tin buff. I wanna spam hybrid.
Spam.
Oh, okay. You. Meleng boozy.
Abantu waye kumele siswisha amafoni manje.
Sibone ukuthi amshiteli naye akashiteli naye. Wena usharp ngayo my sister.
Angisharp.
You know, I think utshele something. Most of the times when niggas says no to exchanging phones, ngikisa abafazi babo.
Cha ukuthi nawe
ungavuma wena.
Hayi angeke.
Ethi ngibuza mase would
I'm not taking that, bro. Like, if someone tells me that 1v1, I'm like, yo, IRL, dog. I'm hitting you with the African slap, bro. I'm hitting him. Cause no way you say if I'm cheating, you're kissing my lady, bro, in front of me. Like, bro, at least respect me, though.
I agree if I kiss you if he's cheating on you or if he doesn't want with the phone.
Angeke ngavumi ngefoni.
Mara if you akavumi, would you agree?
Ngizovuma.
Uyamuza
umama ukuthi amafoni asiphathele.
So awufuni ngefoni.
Angisho ukuthi angifuni kodwa asiphathelana.
Phela if awufuni ukuzokuthi siyacabuzana. Ngoba wena awusasi boyfriend yakhe.
No, sizoyenza manje ifoni.
Yeah. Why manje kumele sishintshe amafoni ngoba uyazi.
This nigga, they just asked for phone and he went straight to defense, bro. We know you cheating already. Bro, you could have just made a good excuse, maybe. This nigga just went to defense.
Oh, nice when I'm keeping the phone.
My sister. Open it, mama. Where's yours, buddy? Yeah, eyes.
Check out the phone, bro.
Eyes.
Check out the phone, bro.
Eyes the sport.
Check out the phone, bro. Check out the
Keep iPhone.
Let's say iPhone ilana. Sithenge nzima. So you guys are twins.
And is your fan?
Bela sifana ngo. Ay. Yebo lokho sikusebenzele egoli. iPhone.
Yeah, true, chat. People say you have to take care of your wife, bro, or your girlfriend, you know, but sometimes I understand some niggas really don't got money, so you don't have to spend, bro. But if you have money to buy her a phone, do so, bro.
This is what we waiting for. Ama iPhone. Ay la phone wenu ngathi aphume toilet. Ubona iphone ngathi yakaka itself on its own. Ihleli phone lapho ubona ngathi yakaka. You don't even want to touch it. Phones that you don't even sleep with in the bed because when it rings, it seems like batlalisa bhuva lendlini. Ispeaker sakukhona ngathi singaphansi. Ay, this is a phone. I'm sorry, my sister. Sengithanda ukwera abantu fele nje for a living, wabo. Yeah, bad phones, bad company. But I thought of buying iPhone 16 or 17. But I'm thinking about it. That means I won't take nobody's calls because how are you going to call me on your phone a 1,000, on your phone a 32,000? Oh. Yeah. We are not on...
Nah, this nigga's cocky, chat. This nigga's cocky, bro. But if you can prove it and all that, bro, if you really have that money, bro, it's up to you, bro. No cap.
The same level. I have to be taking calls from Patrick Motsepe. You know what I mean, my sister? Oh, Mam Kise. We want you to do a campaign for our company. You know, that's what I want, my brother. I want levels. The air is not leveling with us. Don't forget us. Forgive me. Levels. Sorry, my sister.
Chat, this nigga doesn't want to be here. Chat, look at this nigga. Chat, this nigga definitely doesn't want to be here. Chat.
It's levels, put. Okay, I see the brother. I see. Okay. Msebengo baby, ne? Yeah. Separated. Okay.
Chat, why do all Zulu niggas love those shoes, chat? All Zulu niggas love those shoes, chat. Like, I think I need to get me some, bro. I think I should get me some of those shoes. Oh, bro, those my patata or something else, but yeah.
I feel man. I work pela bafo. Work pela ngakshi and there's a group. Okay. I'm born my sister. Miss you. Do you know Tamara?
Yeah.
Is the one from TikTok?
No.
Oh. Okay.
Who's that Tamara from TikTok?
That one about she's wanted in the men conference. Yeah,
Hello, yabona lo kuyahlaza. Yes.
Who the fuck is Tamara? Chad, I know it's Tamara, but I don't know who's Tamara they're talking about.
The one I just let me see. Okay.
Hey, listen.
Kanti my brother now so ukuthi what's your favorite position? Yeah. And my sister what doggy in the mission.
You gotta check all the notes, bro. You gotta check all the notes. But oh, you like doggy? Okay. What do you like also? You like red wigs? Okay. When you come there, you're ready, bro. You're ready and fit. You did 10 push-ups before getting there. Maybe yesterday.
You like that? That's good, my sister. Hey. Why doggy, bro? You wanna look like a dog? You know when the dogs when they're eating dog months, my sister, it's not. I don't like dog styles. You know, I only like passionate stuff. The rest, I ain't game.
I guess sorry for it. Sorry.
When is Akulezo now? Oh. Yeah, Sianiza abantu bankulunkulu. God bless.
This nigga's a taxi driver, but he's here at the park and not at work. Don't these niggas work like every day? Oh, this nigga just took a leave. I just clocked it now, like, why is this nigga here in the park instead of work, bro?
This is you guys that love stuff.
He should be driving and, you know,
like that. And even in Ezulwini, you should do them, ne? Mara Ezulwini angisho niyazi ukuthi kuya spirit pela.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, so please nizenza kanjalo. Spirit senu niya pala shayi dog spirit.
Oh no, chat. I don't think. Wait, can you have sex in heaven? I don't think so, chat. Or I think you can if, cause sex is a sin without marriage, and that's what it says in the Bible. So if you get married, sure, then you and your wife passes away, then you guys go to heaven. That means you guys can still continue having sex, cause it's not a sin, cause you guys are married. Maybe, I don't know. Because I don't think if, let's say, me, I was dating some other girl, we both pass away in GTA, then we go to heaven. I don't think we'll be able to have sex because we're not really married, you know, because we were sinning all this time.
They're going to ask you, what were you...
That's something to think about, dog. No care.
...doing on earth? And that he never sends it, dog, but he ends a munch. Whoa. Ngathi ngiyanibona lapho. Is it God that said you guys should do that? Okay, I feel you guys. That's good. Okay, my sister. Brother, you wanna check the phone thoroughly, or however people say sometimes I don't give people phones to check, but I wanna check it first so I can be sure.
Okay.
Yeah. Eyakho ayina password. Siyavuma. Marangati na
Wait, he might not be cheating, man. His phone doesn't have a password, bro. That nigga might have nothing to hide.
Madoda. Ya bhuti wami. Angenanga kude nje. Archive. Yes, baby. Yeah, we sit down,
bro. Sit down, bro. I guess I was wrong, bro. I thought this nigga was not cheating. He doesn't have a password, bro. Sit down, bro. Sit your bitch ass down, bro. Cheating in the big year 2026.
Awusarelate manje. Sithe bheki phone. Na iphone yakasisi. Manje sevalile. Sister, asivulele lapho abona. Asivulele lapho. Asivulele lapho abone yena.
Usendela amanuts wena. Akusiyini.
Bheka iphone ya my sister. Bheka iphone ya my sister. Awusafuna ukubheka phone. Awusafuna ukubheka phone uribonze phela.
Okay, usendela amanuts bese wathi 50 rand. So kahle thenga amanuts wena.
Uthenga amanuts nga 50 rand.
Yeah.
This nigga's buying, he's spending. He's spending, he's giving them the he's giving, now 50 rand, the driver buying no top of the rand. Oh, now taxi driver buying notes for 50 rand. Oh, man, bro, you already have some fine shit here. She's steak, body tea, pretty face. What do you want more, bro? I'm telling you, these taxi drivers are greedy.
So wathi 50 rand.
Kuphi mama wathengaphi mama? Ufuna sibesisebenzise nomfowethu manje kungenzeka.
Kuphi my brother, we haven't searched I love you. We just went to one lady.
Usendele i-video bese kuthiwa 50 rand.
Ekseni qale.
So uthenga i-nudes.
No, ekseni qale kumfowethu le phone lena ngizoyithenga.
Okay.
Bro, umfowethu what we know that sayazi le excuse now, bro. That excuse has been used like 100 times already. Akusumfo wakho, akusumfo wenu. Bro, uthengayo. It's you who's the one who's buying, bro. This guy is lying. Like, bro, sikbambile, bro. Unontombazane enhle lana, you know, she has a weave on, body tea, and everything for you. Wena, cause you're a taxi driver, you say fuck it. Mina ngifuna ukucheat. But Chad, I think these niggas cheat cause most of the time they're on the road. And I'm sure the girls, he got them on the taxi.
Book.
Ukhanya, I love you. Mbali naye, I love you.
My owner,
yes, I love you. Phala. Hayibo, macha. Hayibo.
This nigga's buying how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mbali, Khanya, my owners, phala.
So zonke contacts ezilapha zezayi.
Sisebenza nomfowethu.
my brother, what do you think we are? You lying to us. Ubani ulahli phone?
Umfowethu.
Kuphi ulahli phone kuphi?
Ulahlile nje la kade suka khona.
Nani ndayikhuluma yakazizwa. Awuziva. Uthini?
Akusimi lo.
Nguwe, ifone yakho ihlala kuwe. You always using your phone. Kanjani uthi
angithi umfowethu kade ebolekile.
It's you, big bro.
So mina ngizothini nginqabe.
And akusiyimi lo.
That is a smaller body compared to yours, but I or ufuna ukuphika
abantu bakamfowethu lapha.
Bro, it's not your fucking brother. It's not your brother who's buying all these notes. You are the guy who's buying all these notes, bro. These niggas really be capping, bro. Like Subambile, like we have the evidence here, and you still lying. What the fuck?
Come forward. When do you think we are from?
Can you
like, bro.
So uthemba yena kunami?
No, nigga, we trust the phone. We're trusting the phone. We're trusting your phone actually, because your phone has the evidence. You were the one who was buying these notes.
Mina njoba ngutshela
uthemba yena because iphone yakho mara ngithola amantombazana iphone yakho.
Uthemba yena?
Yeah.
Kunami.
Yes.
Oh, this guy is trying to gaslight, bro. That shit won't work. It won't work, bro.
Amathera mangaka.
So
uthenga inudes.
Mana, so wena
yenye le.
Uze ngenye futhi.
Angithi ngiyakutshela ukuthi lezi zinto kamfowethu. Sekumele ngenze njani ke manje?
So uyafeba, bona lo uyafeba.
Mina siqhathwa abantu manje.
Ngihlala endlini. Kulokuthi ningaphuma, manifuna igroove angiphumi. Uthi ngihlala endlini.
Nama ngikwenzi mos.
Kanti uyazazi uyafeba.
Nama ngikwenzi into
uphuma uthi uyalayisha kanti uyafeba.
Awusamazi ubhuti wami. Awusamazi ubhuti.
And he's a good guy, but a cute guy or cheater kanje.
Ubhuti hayi.
Uyafeba.
Ngifebi.
Uyafeba.
Kuwabula ngibamunabi.
Buka bebaqoke kanjani?
Oh, that's a good weave. That's a good one. No cap. His instincts are.
Baqokisana. Obani ba manje labo oqokisane nabo abani?
Into kamfowethu lezi kumele ngikhulume kangaki.
Wena usitshela mango ungamshaya manje.
Oh, again.
Ngiyabona ke manje ngesikhathi.
Oh, this time he didn't dodge it.
Ngiyabona kwesiqhatha manje.
So uyafela.
Mina ngikhathe kuphi mina ngoba mina ngisasibekele
ifoni. Ngofika nalento yamafoni asifishayo. Ngofika
yamafoni le. Uyafeba.
Uma siqhathwe
uyafeba na. Uyafeba na.
Cha ngifebi.
amantombazana angake efonini yakho
Into
ngabantu
kamfowethu.
inudes wena uthenga nama-nudes
This
wena
phone is disgusting for me, bro.
Hawu into kamfowethu.
So thenga nama-nudes, bro.
Why are you buying nudes, bro? You have a beautiful woman by your side and you're still buying nudes. Ungrateful and greedy.
Thenga nekuku futhi. Sitshela iqiniso bafo. Thenga nekuku futhi.
athi I'm outside but uyocheck izolo
ne wena
Ngisho kamfowethu ade ucheck izolo mina ngicheckani.
Buka mangithi minuthi kuphuma into ezingakana. Ukhala nuthi kwasana ukhala nuthi
bakamfowethu lapha.
So when
this nigga's a taxi driver. When does it get all of this time, chat? You know, because they say these niggas wake up at like 3 a.m. to go work. When does it get all of this time?
nudist wena
and baze bayambuza wafuna ama-nudes
wena ulinudist
Cha
wena
mina ngilona inudist.
You
Umfowethu inudist hayi mina. Ngizomkhuza futhi ngalento yakhe ukuthi angasebenzi ifoni yami ngoba
bro.
uzomqhatha nomama.
You think we are from Amanskraal, you know? Not that Amanskraal is a bad place, but
Kahle
you think we were born yesterday.
uyazi bekuright mfowethu sisayixoxela kahle.
Bro, you think we were born yesterday, bro? Like this nigga, like, bro. Now you're going to try and change the tone.
Qaleni sixoxela ngezinto.
Sixoxana
Amafoni Angithi uyabona manje ngibizwa ngesifebe ngenxa yakho.
Kanti awuyiso sifebe.
Isifebe kanjani?
Usifebe eseteksini. Ufeba ngale eteksini.
uyahula
Ulihule. Ulihule.
Ngiyangihlanganyela.
Asikuhlanganeli siyakutshela.
Lanele.
Leyisi ukutshela
so
nokuhlanganela.
isibhanqa ndim
This is
Usifanqa kanjani?
This other day-
Chazela ukuthi into ekamfowethu lezi kumele ngithini kanti?
sena ngiluza isisu ngendaba yakho because uyafeba
Manje
sakhuluma ngale nto uyaphinda futhi ufuna ntini
ngamshaya my sister. Ufebe ekuqaleni. Ufebile ekuqaleni.
Yeah.
Imbe phela ngishaya ngithi uyabona
Ufebile ekuqaleni.
eqaleni. Hawu kube kuyinto sayikhuluma leyo nto edlula leyo.
yanyulunga
Ngamshaya. Ngamshaya.
Oh no. Chat, she lost a child because of this nigga, chat. She lost a child. Or maybe it was their baby, or I don't know.
Sakulwela ngithi ungamshaya manje uthi ngiqaqaqa.
Size sifike lapha ekushayaneni nguwena phela osifikise lapha ukuthi kushintshwa
So
amafoni.
my sister sokwambani la ngoba mina wabona lo muntu sakathukela mina.
Angithi uyabona ususimpi.
Oh no. Oh no.
Baleka nyana nabaleka nawe. Uhleleleni.
Balega. Oh no, Balega. Bro, I chat. I'm telling y'all niggas, cheating, bro. When you're doing it, when you're cheating, it feels nice. But after, bro, when they catch you, it
Uhleleleni.
feel like crazy.
Yeah. Sufuna ke manje yini uyamfuna vele.
No, I don't want it. Ngamshaya please.
Angithi uyabona into zakho.
Ngamshaya mas.
Angithi uyabona into zakho.
Ngamshaya.
Angithi uyabona.
Give my sister shoes.
saphi ihlangu sami
Ngamshaya ngaso my sister please.
Oh no.
Hayi ke mina
Manje mina ngikwenze ukuthatha isithathu.
siyeke. So umuntu wakho lo ngizomthatha isithathu.
Ucela ukuthatha isithathu. Ucela ukuthatha isithathu. Uma ngamshaya ngaso my sister.
Uyamshaya manje.
Awu. Manje ufuna ukwenzani? Ufuna ukulwa? Ngamshaya ngaso my sister.
Uyimela lento isusayo.
Ufuna ukulwa?
Le isusayo uyimela.
Ngimele.
Uzemela. Angithi uyabona.
Ngimele manje. Bathi ngimele.
Oh namandla.
This shit is funny. Oh no, this shit is funny, chat. Oh no, they're hitting this nigga with shoes. He's trying to fight Joseph Dari. Bro, if you wanted to fight, you would have thrown a punch by now.
I mean, lock your zip there. Leave me alone.
Yo, bro, he's losing order.
Hey man, can't you wanna fight my brother?
Mama.
nyanya
Singavumeli ukuthi aqhathe lo.
nyanya
Why kumele sivumele?
nyanya mpuma nyanya
Uthi nyanya kuye vele. Mina ufuna ukungikhonela, awukhona my sister la.
Uthunywe kimi vele.
Ngisithunywa vele.
Ukuthi
siyakufunani ufunani
uyazi ukuthi
ufunani
wena uzomosha nje kalula.
ufunani why ufeba uthenga ama-nudes amantombi angaka more than 10
Damn, bro. And he's cheating on a Xhosa lady, chat. Xhosa ladies are crazy, no cap. Well, when you cheat on a Xhosa lady, bro, you're gonna suffer. I'm telling y'all niggas.
Ngoba shaya ngeteksi vele ne.
Yeah.
Umthatho wakho wena. Cute.
Sure ubashaya ngeteksi because yona ishayi.
Okay,
Yini ngashayi.
Eish. Bro is not satisfying her.
Kwako ngokuncisha.
Phela abagcwele.
angithi uyabona angithi uyamuza ukuthi into ingakho engicisha
Vele uzohamba uthenga amahosha uthenga inuthi nge-R50.
But I kind of get his point, chat. Cause she's not giving him, so he doesn't have a choice. You know, he doesn't have a choice.
Akakunika nje.
ngaleso sikhathi mfowethu ngithola ngaleso sikhathi leso kumele ngize ngimncenge ukuze ngithole udla kanjani uncengeli
uzodla ini ngani?
You don't enjoy it, bro. You don't enjoy food after like begging for like 30 minutes. Oh, okay, now you just he has a point.
so wena
Uzodla ini ngani, chat? That's dark. Uzodla ini ngani, chat? Chat, that's fucking dark, chat. They basically saying this nigga has no dick, pen. They basically saying this nigga has no dick. Nah, bro. Chat, but I feel like this is a defense all these guys go for, dog. You know, they always say, no. After someone cheats, they always say, or maybe, no, they always say, yeah, it's because you have a small dick, bro. Why did you stay with the nigga if he had a small one? But I understand that she's saying she was not really giving this nigga any. So that's why Linda Talena, a taxi driver, branched out and went to Abu Mahosha and bought nudes for 50 rand and all of that.
uzwazi ukuthi
Hayi
ayikunelisi
futheke.
Bonganasishebo kanti my sister.
Futheke.
Oh.
uyangithuka manje
Yeah.
So uqedile la naye my sister.
Done.
phela akwazi ukuqeda mfowethu
Ufuna ukwenza.
Anokuqhubeka njalo
Angisho
no
Musa,
abantu aba more than
akakunika.
10.
Uzomkhulisa phela, sozomkhulisa phela.
Ngizomkhulisa
10.
ndlela
More than 10.
angilali nalaba bantu
What
laba
are you
Udlala
doing?
ngabani? Ucabanga ukuthi siyabantwana.
angilali vele
Ubona
laba.
inywela. Oh. Ubona nywela.
Azikhabuni.
Ungamshaya my sister.
Azikhabuni.
Ungamshaya. Ngiyabona ukuthi u-angry mara sewenzani ngaye umtshele so azi ukuthi kuphelile.
So we done.
Ukwazi ukusho njalo.
Qebile.
Soqedile ngaye.
Ayikho nozobona.
emva kwesikhathi esingaka
Sharp mina ngifuna ukuhamba my
so uxatshaniswa umuntu nje ngo2 minutes
Ayikho into enzaphela ndiyithethe.
Bro, you see these niggas be trying to gaslight like crazy. What do you mean so many? You're the one who's buying nudes. You're the one who's shitting with over 5 ladies. You're the one who's spending 50 rands every time to go and buy instead of being patient with your lady right here. Don't trust these niggas, dog. Taxi drivers.
singakhuluma bese
Ayikho into enzaphela ndiyithethe nawe sena.
so usuthi
When I don't grow
And Chad, you know, sorry for pausing. And you know, Chad, taxi drivers be going crazy, bro. Because on their taxis, they get all different types of women. They get a fat one. They get a light skin, petite, dark skin, all of that. Natural hair. You know, no makeup, BBL, no BBL.
uyabuka
you don't grow up. Uluza umntwana ngenxa ye cheating yakho. Manje futhi uyabuya.
uqeda kumuzwa ukuthi uyangicisha mina bengimele ngenze njani njengendoda phela nami ngidingeka ngithole ngidingeka ngithole sengiyavuma ke ngidingeka ngithole njengendoda it's fine kulungile ngizowalungisa amaphutha kodwa phela nawe uyangicisha nawe uyakwazi lokho
Yeah, that's why
Does he have a point, though? Does he have a point? Some might say he has a point, Chad. Some might. Do you actually think he has a valid point? Because this one, I don't know.
kula ukho sithi anihlukaneni ke.
why kumele
Ngoba
sihlukane
nangincishana.
Why
Wena ufuna ukuncishwa uyathenga. Bakuncisha uyathenga. Akuna relationship la.
hayi
Oh,
Yeah.
cameraman, I know what you're doing, cameraman. Nah, what is cameraman doing? I see what you're doing. You're showing the back. Oh.
We done.
Hayi.
Siyanda.
So uqedile ngaye.
Ndiqabile ngoku akhona phela ndiyithethe.
Okay.
Andifuthethe akhona nje phela ndiyithethe.
manje uyabulala kuphela ulungisa
Uyenze kwesithu.
ubhidliza kuphela into zabantu
Yambona
awulungisa
okokuqala
What's that to
sathethe.
fix?
lungisa phela ndoda imisebenzi yakho
What's there to fix, bro? Lendo te yomzulini yahlanya. What's there to fix, bro? You can't fix this. They caught you cheating with 5 women, bro. Abo Mbali, Abo Kanya, I forgot the other ones. Nah, bro, you're buying also for 50 rand, bro.
Uyahlala mbhekeni lungisa umsebenzi yakho lena
ngisamamela my sister wena
mamele ngokulungisa
ngoku uyaphinda uyayenza
and akayenzi cherry one
angithi mama
my 10 girls 10 girls one man one pipi 10 girls one
engekho
oh I thought ikhona ayikho
so vele ufuna ukumtshela vele ukuthi aweneli wena ufuna kunelisa
so that's why you don't give him my sister.
That's why they tell.
I don't think he hits. What I'm listening when I'm listening, I don't think he smashes those 10 ladies. I think he pays them to send pictures. They say because he's buying notes. That's what I'm thinking. Or maybe he might.
Uthenga manje 50 rand.
Angingithiwe ngiqhubeka ngichitha isizungu ngoba wena
Oh shaya indlwambe ungamshayi my sister ungamshayi. Oh shaya indlwambe ngamanuthi.
Baso bengisendela ngizongagcila.
Okay, we done.
Hey bro, this guy is capping, bro. This guy is capping. So this nigga buys notes and he does nothing with those notes. This guy is capping, bro. You're not gonna spend 50 rand and not do anything. This guy's capping, bro.
Take your phone. Okay, sharp. Leave this man.
Sharp.
Kahle we have to leave us here. When
so ufuna ukuhlukanisa ngusho
I don't like chat. That P is crazy though. That P chat so crazy, no?
Nomuntu wami
and vele shoot wena kumele ngifebele live.
Uthembeni
ebani
uthembeni
wena thembeni wena
Thembisifebe
sengabuya noma
yini because now is fair
netekisi la size ku
nizela mina
size kwena ligcwale lithi ngibona uzokwenzani
ngizoba ngiyi-1 that time
uzoba uyi-1 all right la uzothuma khona uphuthu ngiyabona nabafana basegoleni ngiyisi
I'm not from Goli, I'm from Limpopo.
Khona lapha eLimpopo usuke eLimpopo uthunywe ke umuntu uzongihlukanisa nomuntu wami manje ubhidlizile awusakwazi ukulungisa uya enjoy lento yenzakalayo
ngilungise ka live my sister
when you enjoy lo boyenza
enjoy wena
into zakudala lezo ngidlulile mina kuzo
so tetile ngamanje asha ungamshaya hey my brother back ungatouch my sister
kanti why kumele ungivimbe
let my sister
why kumele ungivimbe mangeke
bro it's over dog maybe let her go then call her on the phone or something, bro. It's over, bro. This nigga is busy making it worse. Just accept that you did it wrong and tell her that you're sorry. Then maybe you're gonna try and talk to her when she's at home, bro.
Why owakho noma wami
ufuna ukuthi ngimkhise in front of you so ugcwala ukuthi vele
ungabona imhlolo pho ungazi phela ngale nathi mina
it's not like I'm scared of you. I just respect my woman, but if a guy like you I'll kiss her.
Oh, so inhloso yakho uzohlukanisa uhamba ufuna ukuhlukanisa abantu baqabule.
Do you know I'm cruel, my man? Wangazi ukuthi ngicruel kanjani?
Mina uyangazi ukuthi ngicruel kanjani?
Ucruel wena?
Cruel kabi mina. Sifebe cruel vele because
my sister, would you mind to kiss my camera? Wait, when I sifuna ukukhuluma nawe, would you mind to kiss my camera guy to show that is nothing? Wangibamba, ngibambela.
Oh
no.
Sapha kama camera.
Sobona ngifuna ukubona ngisho mina ngizoba nginawe. So my sister, do you mind? Here's my camera guy, kiss him in front of this dude so he can see.
Live.
Oh no. Oh no, what? Cameraman, all that hard work wasn't for nothing, cameraman. You got your fucking chance. You got your chance, cameraman.
Singibambe mina, angisho wena ugcwala.
Hey.
Bapeke.
Look at them, bro.
Bapeke. I got it. Oh, you got it.
Oh no, shit. No, this nigga got it. No, bro. This nigga is. Oh. There might be fingerprints after that. Look at how he's grabbing the nyash. The bunda. The. Oh, nasty.
Bapeke.
Oh, not down you fucking cameraman. You got it, eh? Now you got it, cameraman, eh? Oh, no, actually got it. No cap, bro. Nah, what? Oh, no.
Yeah, where's the night?
No.
Can't do stuff. Can't do shit.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Bro, it's acting all tough and shit. Look at him. Nah, this nigga kisses your girl, then he goes and grabs the camera and points. Oh, nah, bro.
I think we're done.
You're done, my sister. That's fine. You can leave. Leave this nigga. Bapeke.
Yeah, go yeah, go
Took my sister.
I don't lie, this nigga cameraman always wanted that ass, bro. This nigga cameraman always wanted to touch that ass, bro. He has been looking at that shit, bro. I've been seeing, bro. He's been moving the camera to the ass every time, bro. He finally got it.
Hello, happy. Leave my sister alone. Leave my sister alone. Leave my sister. We happy. Keep her what you wanna take.
I'm a promise to cry. Wait, oh. This nigga was acting all tough and shit, chat. Now he wants to cry, huh?
I'm here.
Uzosindela ukuthi angisiphethe otherwise ngokubamba.
Okay. I like.
Oh no, this guy's funny, chat. Now look at his face, bro. Look at his face, bro. Nah. You deserve it. It's not our fault, bro. What did you think was gonna happen if you cheat?
Your shoes, they're really nice. But when we gaga umuntu. Do what you do, I'm gonna keep on doing what I do best. My name is Joseph Tari.
Oh no.
I'm not playing.
Oh
you
no.
think I'm playing?
Oh no. Oh no.
I can't kiss people right now. Oh, if you come with the attitude, I'm gonna anti-attitude you.
Nah, that's crazy.
That's what I do. See you guys on another episode. My name is Joseph Dad. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you guys on another one. Yeah, my camera guy Pella is savage. You guys know. Hey.
Nah, check. This cameraman was going crazy, bro. This cameraman is actually going crazy, bro. Now this nigga has to be stopped, bro. This nigga's really craving that shit. No, that's a double chat. Why is that 28 dislikes? What? These niggas didn't like what happened. They thought maybe these 28 niggas are cheaters. Shit, I'm telling y'all niggas. Nah, bro. No, look at this. Camera guy was very tasty. He enjoyed a lot over the years watching Joseph Tari. What if the day, the cameraman enjoyed himself. He even grabbed it. I laughed so hard. He was so deep inside after the kiss. Lol, the cameraman didn't waste a second to kiss that girl. Real savage. Oh, I saw the caption and went straight to Iowa, my friend, to buy more data. Oh, my man, look your zip. I thought it all. Minus 10 billion hour. I like the way Joseph is scared of threats. They can't disappear from the guy's small back. He lost the budget. No care, bro. W fucking video by Joseph Tari. Yeah, man. Hope you enjoyed the video. That show's crazy. And yeah, no, you know.